The evolution of technology spans a vast timeline, from the Stone Age to the Space Age. Let's explore the key stages of this progression. 1. Stone Age. The Stone Age, which began around 2.5 million years ago, marked the earliest known use of stone tools by early humans. During this period, tools were crafted by chipping and shaping stones, such as flint, to create cutting, scraping, and hunting implements. 2. Agricultural Revolution. The Agricultural Revolution, which occurred around 10,000 BCE, brought significant advancements in technology. Humans transitioned from a nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyle to settled farming communities. This shift involved domesticating plants and animals, developing irrigation systems, and creating new tools like the plow. 3. Bronze Age. The Bronze Age, starting around 3000 BCE, introduced the use of bronze, an alloy of copper and tin, for tool and weapon production. This development significantly improved the durability and effectiveness of tools, leading to advancements in agriculture, trade, and warfare. 4. Iron Age. The Iron Age, beginning around 1200 BCE, saw the widespread use of iron for tool-making and weapon production. Iron was stronger and more readily available than bronze, leading to increased agricultural productivity, the construction of more substantial structures, and the expansion of empires. 5. Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the mid-18th century, transformed society through the mechanization of production processes. Key innovations included steam power, textile machinery, iron and steel production, and the development of transportation infrastructure such as railways. This period marked a shift from handcrafted goods to machine-made products, increasing productivity and driving societal and economic changes. 6. Electronic Age. The Electronic Age emerged in the late 19th and early 20th centuries with advancements in electrical engineering and telecommunications. Inventions such as the telegraph, telephone, radio, and later, the television, revolutionized communication and enabled rapid transmission of information over long distances. 7. Information Age. The Information Age, which began in the late 20th century, is characterized by the rapid development and widespread adoption of digital technologies. Key innovations include the personal computer, the Internet, mobile devices, and the proliferation of digital data. This era brought about unprecedented connectivity, access to information, and the digitization of various industries. 8. Space Age. The Space Age started with the launch of the Soviet satellite Sputnik in 1957. It represents humanity's exploration and utilization of space. Achievements include manned space missions, lunar landings, satellite networks, space stations, and robotic space probes. Space technologies have advanced scientific knowledge, satellite communication, weather forecasting, and global positioning systems. Throughout history, the evolution of technology has been driven by human curiosity, problem-solving, and the pursuit of efficiency and progress. Each stage has built upon the innovations of the past, leading to increasingly complex and transformative technologies. The future promises further advancements, with emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, renewable energy, genetic engineering, and space exploration poised to shape our world in profound ways.